everyone! Today I will present my comparative analysis entitled Female Identity and Social Expectation in Turning Red and Lady Bird. So in this presentation I will discuss how both films portray the struggles of young women in finding their identity while facing pressure from family and society. So for the introduction, both Turning Red and Lady Bird talk about young women who are trying to understand themselves during their teenage years. The films show how family, culture, and society influence the way girls express themselves and build their identity. Even though the cultural backgrounds are different, both films present similar issues related to self-expression, freedom, and social expectation toward women. So, for the story of Turning Red, Turning Red tells the story of Meili, a 13-year-old girl who struggles with family expectation and emotional change during adolescence. Mei wants to become the perfect daughter for her mother, but at the same time, she also wants freedom to express herself. Whenever she experiences emotion, she transforms into a red panda. The red panda symbolizes her emotion, puberty, and identity struggles. So in Lady Bird follows Christine McPherson, who calls herself Lady Bird. She is a teenage girl who struggles to find independence and self-identity. She often experiences conflict with her mother because they have different expectation and perspective about life. Throughout the film, Lady Bird tries to understand herself while dealing with family pressure, friendship, social class, and her desire for freedom. So, in the main character, in Turning Red, Meili is portrayed as an obedient daughter who constantly tries to meet her family expectation. However, she also struggles with her own emotion and identity. Meanwhile, in Lady Bird, Christine or Lady Bird is portrayed as a rebellious teenage who wants freedom and independence. Unlike Mei, Lady Bird openly expresses her frustration and desires, although she still struggles with pressure from her family and society. Both characters experience identity struggles, but they respond to those pressures differently. So, the study used Simone de Beauvoir concept of the other from the second sex. According to Simone de Beauvoir, women are often defined by society instead of defining themselves freely. Society creates expectations about how women should behave, think, and express themselves. This story is so stable because both Mei and Lady Bird struggle to become themselves while facing pressure from family and society. So both films portray young women struggle to find their identity while dealing with pressure from family and society. The main character experience emotional conflict because they feel expected to become a certain version of themselves. In addition, both films highlight the theme of self-expression, freedom, and the desire to be accepted while still being true to themselves. Although the film shares similar themes, they present those struggles differently. Turning Red focus more on cultural expectation and family obedience within an Asian family environment. The film also used fantasy elements such as the red panda to symbolize emotion and identity struggles. On the other hand, Lady Bird presents a more realistic coming-of-age story that focuses on social class, personal independence, and teenage rebellion in American society. So both films show that young women often struggle between becoming themselves and fulfilling society expectation. And Turning Red may have her emotion because she wants to be seen as the perfect doctor. Meanwhile, in Ladybird, Ladybird constantly searches for a new identity because he wants freedom and recognition from others. Even though the pressures are different, both characters experience identity stronger caused by expectation from family and society. So, in conclusion, Turning Red and Ladybird portray similar struggles related to female identity and social expectation. Both films show that family, culture, and society strongly influence how young women understand themselves. Through comparative analysis, the film reveals that identity struggle experienced by women can happen across different culture and environment. So that's all my presentation. Thank you.